What up, Digital Slang? Welcome back. So a big week in tech. For tonight, another pair of headphones. These are the XBT-80s from RiwBox. I'm going to take a look, 30 bucks, budget friendly. Now these are on-ear headphones. Normally I don't go that route, but I did want to try these out because I really enjoyed the color. It does come in 4 colorways, and all of the colorways are actually pretty cool. But again, on-ear, most of my headphones, well, all of my headphones are over the ear. But also in the box, you saw the unboxing, micro USB to charge, and that's kind of expected for a $30 pair of headphones, although I would prefer it be a USB Type-C. Auxiliary cable, now this is a braided cable, so that's pretty cool. And of course the user's manual here, and this is your warranty card. If you sign up after purchasing these within a week, you can get a 1-year warranty from them, so not bad. Again, the black and the gold color on here. And you do have the branding up top, as you can see. Now the padding, check out the padding up top. Not a lot of padding up here. That's a little disappointing. And I did wear these already for a while, and they're very lightweight, so they're not uncomfortable at all. But there is basically no padding on top here, so just be aware of that. Now your ear cups here, there is padding here, and they're very cushiony, very lightweight. You do have your L and your R on here. More branding on the side. These do fold in and out. They don't swivel, but they do fold in and out, and that is very smooth for a $30 pair of headphones. Not bad at all, but it is plastic. It's a plastic build. It doesn't feel premium when you hold it. Just be aware of that. It feels like a $30 plastic pair of headphones, but overall not bad. I dig the look. So we'll see. Now on the cups, there are some things we need to know about. We'll go over here first. Well, nothing on this side. So on your right cup, there is nothing to do, no controls, nothing. But on your left side here, we do have 5 buttons, 5 physical buttons, and these do control everything, including the volume. So we have an on and off button. We have your play and pause. This will answer an end of phone call. These 2 buttons here will go to the next track or go back to the previous track, and also your volume up and your volume down. And then this here is your mode button. So this will go between Bluetooth. It will change between your Bluetooth settings, and it will go to a TF card here. As you can see, there is a slot here, so you can put a card in there if you have music on a card already. This is, of course, your port to charge, your jack for your auxiliary cable there, so you can use these wirelessly, or you can plug them in and use the wire if you prefer to do it that way. And there is a mic here as well. Only one mic on here. So we'll check it out. We'll do a mic test, see how good they are. Now these do have 40mm drivers, so they should sound pretty good. Battery life on here, 10 hours of juice, 2 hours to fully charge, and 160 hours of standby time. So not bad at all. And again, 4 colors. But let's jump in, check it out, connect them. And the way you connect these, it will be the same on iOS and Android devices. You just go into settings, go into Bluetooth, and let's power it on, connect them. So this is your power button. As you can see, there is an LED light here. Now, we are connected already, and if you click on the info button, you can go in and you can rename these. So I kind of dig that. I like to be able to rename my tech and call it whatever I want. Always a cool thing. So I'm going to throw them on, play some music, and we'll start. Sound quality in these things is actually a little surprising to me. They do sound pretty good. There's some bass, you can feel it. And for a pair of on-ear headphones, I'm actually quite surprised how good they sound. Now, I wish they were a little bit louder. They are pretty loud, but you guys know I like to turn mine down a little bit. I always want that extra in case I need it, but these at full volume, it's a good volume, don't get me wrong, it's loud enough, but I'd like to go a little extra and be able to turn it down just to have that extra bit of control. But overall, they sound pretty good. There's some bass, the highs and mids sound good. For 30 bucks, I don't have a problem with how they sound. They sound good. We're gonna keep going, and since we are playing music right now, we're just gonna go right in, and I'm gonna show you guys how the touch controls work. So, if we go back in and we play some music, This middle button here, that's your pause button. You hit it again, it's going to play. This button here, this is going to lower the volume, as you can see, and this button will raise the volume. And then if we just hold either of those down, it's going to go to the next track or go back to the previous track. And the touch controls work very well. And again, the other buttons on here, your on and off button and your mode button. It's going to go through Bluetooth mode or go to the TF card so you can listen to whatever music you have on your card and play music that way. So pretty cool, not bad. Touch controls control everything, and they work very well. We're gonna go in now and we're gonna do a mic test. Check on the mic.
What up, guys? A mic test, another pair of budget headphones, on-ear headphones. Usually, I'm not that guy that's rocking on-ear headphones, but I had to try these out. The XBT-80s, black and gold. Let me know how the mic sounds.
Now, as far as the latency goes, no delay at all when listening to content on YouTube, on iOS devices, or on Android devices. Everything was in sync and sounded really good. So not bad for a budget-friendly pair of headphones. Again, battery life on here we talked about. The sound quality on here, the only thing I wish is that they were slightly louder and on ear. I wish these were over the, I would like these a lot if they were over the ear. I still like them, but with my headphones, these, like, I'm not going to go to these. These aren't going to be my first choice. And that's basically because they're not over-the-ear headphones. But if you like on-ear headphones, some people do. I'm just not that guy. But for a pair of headphones, they are a pretty good pair for 30 bucks. Now, the one thing I do not like is that there is no cushion up on top here. And I got a huge head. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my head is big. So I need these to be a little bigger. Right? They don't really fit on my head, but I do have a very big head. So just keep that in mind. If you have a normal size head, these are going to fit you fine. Overall, the touch controls, the physical buttons work very well. No delay when listening to content. Let me know how the mic sounds. And the colorways on here look really good. They have black and gold. They have white and gold. I think they have a purple and green or some crazy color, but it looks really good. But overall, not bad at all. The XBT-80 is just a quick review, guys. Budget-friendly pair of headphones. Again, I got a bunch of stuff coming. The Note 20 Ultra is actually arriving tomorrow, so I'm gonna have a bunch of content coming for that. The Pixel 4a, I have some content for that. The Sony XM4s, those are arriving tomorrow as well. So lots and lots of content on the way, guys. But that's it for the video, guys. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out Slang, the other channel, weekly live streams, as well as some podcasts on iTunes and available on Google Podcasts as well. Check that out. I appreciate all of you guys. Stay safe. I'll be back soon. Peace.